Welcome to Creative Cookings, episode 10. Today we're going to make cheddar and onion topping for your burgers. Don't confuse this with the cheddar melt. This is something entirely different. Just you wait and see. We're going to start off with a cast iron pan to which we've added 1 tablespoon of just regular vegetable oil and about a tablespoon of butter. You can increase that amount or decrease that amount based on how many onions you intend to cook. Here we've got about, I don't know, I can't really measure that, but that was a good size onion, a medium size onion. If I had it to do all over again, I think I would have tossed it in 2. And all we really want to do is just cook these. You don't need to cook them all the way. You're not looking to caramelize. You're looking to just cook the onions to the point where they're just soft. And then we can season them with some fresh black pepper and a little bit of salt. We'll stir that around for a little bit. And and then when we feel comfortable that they're nice and soft and that they're cooked and sweet, and remember, cooking onions makes them sweet. We're gonna go ahead and we're gonna throw some cheese on top of that. And what I've got here is just regular extra sharp cheddar. You can use regular cheddar. You can use provolone. You can use any cheese you like. I like cheddar cheese, and it goes well with the onions. And on top of that, we're going to sprinkle on some breadcrumbs. I'm using seasoned breadcrumbs. These are the Italian seasoned breadcrumbs. I once talked to an Italian person and said, what the hell are Italian breadcrumbs? But that's okay. They add flavor. There's cheese in there and some Italian herbs. Not too much, not enough to overpower, but just enough to seal off those onions a little bit. Because what we're going to do next is we're going to toss this into the oven. We want the onions to continue to cook, and of course, we don't want to brown it. We just want to melt the cheese. Let me put it to you that way. And when you get done, I'm saying 5 minutes here, but really it could happen in 3 minutes. It could happen in 6 minutes. I would say keep an eye on it so that it looks something like this. And if you're using a pan like mine, there'll be a little bit brown around the edges, and maybe, just maybe, it's starting to brown a little bit on the top. So now I'm going to go outside and I'm going to fetch those burgers that have been cooking on the grill. If I had more time, this is a weekday, after all, I would have probably brought everything outside and I would have put them on and finished cooking them with the topping. But instead, I'm just going to go ahead and just bring in those delicious looking burgers. And those are 80% ground chuck that have been cooked over the grill, so all the fat comes out and it comes out delicious. And now we have the healthier fats. Save for the fat in the butter. I mean, the butter and the cheese, I guess, aren't healthy. It depends on your point of view. But it is delicious, and you can see by the way it's melting there on the corner that it's still nice and warm because that cast iron pan keeps everything warm. And it's one of the reasons I like to cook with cast iron. I have different pans for different things, and well, this is one of the things where I use the iron. So now I'm just gonna give you a cross-sectional view of that burger. That burger's cooked maybe a little more than I would like, but you cook your burgers the way you like them, whether you like them rare, medium rare. Toss on some French fries or some onion rings, or just eat it the way it is. Yes. So I hope you enjoyed this, and I hope you stay tuned for the Halloween special. I hope to get that out in about a week. Until then, bon appetit.